We have seen that if data analysis will be done properly, then the organization may increase its market share and may also get higher profits. For this, we need data analytics. Now the question is, what is required to be done by the organization? Organization is supposed to have something known as EDW. What is this EDW? It is Enterprise Data Warehouse. If we have more, then it will become warehouses. Otherwise, it will be Enterprise Data Warehouse. So what is this data warehouse? I have already shared with you. So data warehouses that pull together data from disparate sources and database across an entire entity, organization, environment is something known as data warehouses. Warehouses are the primary source of cleansed data for analysis. Whatever data is being put into warehouses should be kept, transferred after cleaning. Now this is important. This data should be clean. If it is not clean, we know what will happen. Warehouses are primary source of cleansed data for analysis, reporting and BI, business intelligence. This is BI or business intelligence. Their high cost to be subsidized by using data marts. What is data mart? It is a small section of the data warehouse usable for a particular purpose by a particular department or business unit. So it has to be subsidized, means reduced, by providing data marts. Data warehouse is very costly. So how can we use this data mart? Still get advantage from the data warehouse, but not spending that much with the help of data marts. How do we do it? So friends, it's being done with the help of ETL. This we have already understood. What is ETL? This is extraction, transformation and loading. This is ETL, extract, transform and load. Okay. So this is E, T and L. Let's understand more. What is this E, T and L? Extract from designated databases. You have to take out the data which is needed for analytics from designated, identified, known databases. This is something known as extract. Now, whatever you have extracted may not be compatible with your database. So what are you supposed to do? Is to transform. How? Transformation will happen by standardizing formats, cleaning the data and integrating. I need a particular field. Rest of the fields I don't need. Let me clean the data. Let me delete all those undesired fields. The data is available in a different format. My analytics is going to use a different format. So let me reformat, standardize the format. I'm not saying that my format is standardized. Even the source format may also be treated as a standard format. But this is the question of making the data usable so that it may be integrated. And after this, second thing, extraction, transformation, it has to be loaded into the data warehouse so that I may go for analysis. So this is ETL. How it works? How database, data warehouse and marts and BI architecture is going to work? Let's understand with the help of this diagram. Okay. So friends, we have something known as transaction systems. We have already understood, I have already explained what is TPS, transaction processing systems. By and large, the data will be captured by transaction systems. These are the transactional systems. So, the data is being captured by the transactional systems and then transferred to operational database. This may be a new term for you. Operational database means the database where the data is being updated constantly with the operations. Okay. So, transaction systems are providing data to operational databases. From operational databases, we are doing this ETL. What is this ETL? We understand extract, transform and load. So now from such databases, extracted, transformed data is being loaded. This is ETL, and from here the data will go to data warehouses. This data warehouse will be maintained by the organization. One data warehouse, another data warehouse. From this data warehouse, I have selected a part which is relevant for me. This is data mart. Similarly, from this data warehouse, I have selected a part which is relevant for me at the moment. This is data mart. So friends, from data warehouses, I am selecting a part of the data which I need to analyze, which is being termed as data mart. And now, on the basis of this, something is happening which is known as BI, business intelligence. This entire thing is creating business intelligence environment. Within this environment, business intelligence can be used. Okay. So, what is this business intelligence environment? What is happening? We are doing something like data mining. We are running queries. We are generating reports, and we are doing lots of analysis. So, this all is happening in business intelligence. What will be the output of this business intelligence is something known as information. Information in the form of reports, maybe reports, graphics and graphics. So, this information may be in the form of reports, graphics or graphics. In this manner, friends, we are in a position to understand how business intelligence is being managed. This is business intelligence management. Business intelligence management. How business intelligence is being managed with the help of this diagram we have seen. So, we have something known as active data warehouses where analysis is going on, database is updated continuously, real-time data warehousing and analytics. Both the things are happening simultaneously. It's being updated and analyzed. Transformed by standardizing formats, cleaning the data and integration, this we understand. Such active data warehouses provide interaction with the customer to provide superior customer service. You give a call to a call center. They must have active data warehouse so that they may understand who you are, what was your query, what's your complaint, last time when you communicated, what happened and so on. So, respond to business events in near real time. Otherwise, this near real time response will not be possible. It shares up-to-date status data among merchants, vendors, customers and associates. Latest data is being shared by the organization with everybody. Merchants means channel partners, vendors means suppliers from whom we are buying, customers, tertiary customers, those who are buying for consumption, and associates, other associates, maybe transport with the bank and other associates are in a position to understand what's happening. So, this is going to support actions as well as decisions. Action means I'm selling, decision means how much I should buy. So, it is going to help in marketing and sales, pricing and contracts, marketing and sales, pricing and contracts, in forecasting, in sales, in financial aspects also, how much should I borrow, when can I make the payment, and in this manner we'll be able to get lots of quality decisions leading to increase in efficiency and profitability. Friends, where such kind of applications can be used in a particular industry. So we have this table is in a position to help us to understand where a particular BI can be used. Okay. So the first example we have airlines. For what we can do this data analytics and use business intelligence, crew assignment, aircraft deployment, analysis of route profitability, customer loyalty, promotions. Similarly, for banking and financial services, customer service, trend analysis, product and service promotions, reduction of information systems expenses. Similarly, in the case of credit cards, customer service, new information service for fee, fraud detection. In the case of defense contracts, technology transfer, production of military applications. In the case of e-business, data warehouses with personalized capabilities, marketing, shopping, preferences allowing for upselling and cross-selling. I know that you have bought something. What else can I sell to you? You have bought X book. I know that if you are buying X book, then you will need Y book maybe after 2 months, or because that is part of the curriculum, so I will offer another book to you. Then the government for reporting on crime areas, homeland security, for healthcare, reduction of operational expenses, for investment and insurance, risk management, market movement analysis, customer tendencies analysis, and portfolio management. And finally, for the retail chain like Big Bazaar. So trend analysis, buying pattern analysis, pricing policy, inventory control, sales promotion, and optimal utilization of funds. This all is something, friends, known as big data analytics and business intelligence for any industry or business. Now, friends, we are moving towards something known as really big data. This really big data means a data which is being updated automatically. IoT, sensors, a lot of such things are there. So what is happening? Low cost sensors collect the data in real time in all types of physical things. Machine generated sensors data. They regulate temperature and climate, detect air particles for contamination, machinery conditions and failures, engine wear and maintenance, and this may be done with the help of something known as Hadoop and MapReduce. These are the two technologies with the help of which we are in a position to handle really big data. Hadoop is an Apache processing platform that places no conditions on the processed data structure. Really unstructured data is being processed with the help of Hadoop, and MapReduce provides a reliable, fault-tolerant software framework to write applications easily that process vast amount of data, really big data, multi-terabyte data sets in parallel on large clusters. So, map stages are break up huge data into subsets and then reduce stage, that is recombine the partial results. So, huge data is there. It's being divided into subsets. Every subset is being analyzed. The result of every subset is being put together. After this putting together, we are going to have recombined partial results. This is something known as reduced stage. Now, friends, we have certain questions and you need to understand those questions.